I'm gonna have to take that bracket from right here. Right in that area, I'm gonna have to take that bracket. And then I have to take that off. And this one real quick. See, I already dropped the hangers in the back real quick. All those is kind of dropped down. So, let's continue. So I'm hitting it from the side right here, guys. I got like a little notch right there where you could kind of hit it from. So that's where I'm hitting from. The lining kind of sucked underneath here, but this one doesn't have a notch. I'm gonna see how I could get this one out. Okay, see, it's on the back side, so I should be able to hit it out right there with that little notch right there. So what you want to do is hit the notches to go ahead and pop the exhaust out right by the flex pipe or the flex flange, whatever you guys want to call it. But after you knock those out, you're gonna call somebody over because you're gonna need a second hand to finish dropping down the exhaust. As you can see, I grabbed one of my buddies, one of my neighbors, and we was able to lower the exhaust no problem. So if you don't have a second hand, it might be a little bit rough for you to get the exhaust system down by yourself. I got 2 new axles. Wow, look at the damage. The drive shaft is completely cooked as well. Look, what the heck, bro? The drive shaft was kind of damaged. I kind of disconnected from the output shaft itself. From the transmission portion, I ended up disconnecting it from there, and I left the drive shaft just hanging into the rear differential because it was broken from the rear. So what I'm gonna do real quick, I'm gonna go up and I'm gonna put this thing in neutral so I'm able to spin it. So look, now we're able to spin the drive shaft completely, guys. You see? That's why the reason for neutral in the drive shaft. So after the drive shaft is completely loose, you have to go ahead and try to wiggle it around like the little flange for where the drive shaft goes onto, and then also the exhaust is going to be in the way a little bit, the flex pipe, so you can just wiggle it out of the way and just move it down real quick. So look now, guys, I gotta get the axle out. This one gotta take the axle completely out. So, and this side, same thing. So I'm gonna just leave the drive shaft disconnected in the diff because it's damaged at this point as well. So the entire diff gonna get lowered with the axles and everything. So what I'm gonna have to try to do is pop the axles out from now and sees what happened. Drop the strut from up there, sees what happened, and then disconnect the caliper bracket and swing that over and sees what happened. So now let's get right to work, guys. I got a lot of work to do. Let's talking, more working.
Right there?
Yeah. Yeah. I got video too, pa. Alright, bet. Right to it, but literally it's a couple connectors you have to loosen up and free up, nothing crazy. So this connector you have to free that up, get that out of the way, and the rotor is because you're gonna take the caliper and you're gonna put it over so it doesn't, you know, come down when you lower the subframe. You gotta disconnect the caliper as well. So that's what I'm doing at this point.
Alright, caliper bracket is completely loose.
Yo, Jermaine, you alright over here?
Yeah, King.
You need a great assistant?
Yeah.
Can I be on TV right there? Yo, can I be on TV? Yo, can I be on TV, Jermaine? Huh?
I had to mess with this piece of shit, King.
What you gotta do, the hub?
Nah, look, this is what the whole drive shaft.
Oh, Jermaine, you know that's 2 minutes for you.
Nah, hell no, King. I'm trying to figure out how to get the axle out. What's the quickest way, King?
Oh, I don't want to block you.
No, you chilling.
Why you didn't ask me? I could put the company in. Let me see. Come on, Jermaine. You know who I am.
And that's all I left right there, the drive shaft. I'm like, fuck that, I just nicked it that.
Come on, man.
I just started it because, nah, this one is fucked, I gotta take everything out of this one.
Bust it up, right?
Yeah, this one is fucked.
Alright, all you do, you gotta take these down.
Take it completely down.
And then take this off. Yeah. Look under these two. Drop this one out. Yeah. Let the axle stop out. You don't need about that much.
Loosen this one.
Yeah.
And then take this completely out.
Yeah, the side. You gotta be careful.
Yeah, I loosen all the ABS stuff and move it out the way. So you never get caught.
So once you pull it to the, the left, the axle stays in there.
Okay. I gotta change it. Alright, King. No problem.
You see that?
I think so, King.
I'm gonna try. Oh, yeah, dude. I gotta do that. Thank you, King.
Nah, I'm gonna listen. This is your stuff, King, so I gotta listen. Alright, so here's the gist, guys. I'm gonna have to take the shot completely out. I was gonna try to sneak it out, but no, that ain't gonna work. Master said to completely remove it. Alright, look, guys. So I got this side completely apart. A lot of work to get this side apart. So now we gotta do this side real quick. I'm gonna show you guys how to disconnect this side real quick. Just in case you guys have to drop the rear diff, I'm gonna show you guys how to do. Yo, no, that's old. Ever since I got that box, I've been moving around with this one.
Okay, cool. That's you too?
Yeah. Got a little upgrade, man.
Yeah, how much that fucking thing cost you?
It was like
Now that we have the rear differential removed, I feel like now we could see more of the excessive damage that happened to the drive shaft. Like you can see the drive shaft completely snapped, and you can see at the back of the differential the bolt also snapped in half.
look, guys, so I was able to get the rear diff back up right now. So the rear diff is back up. I just checked if fluid was inside the diff, and I think fluid is inside because you can see it's leaking out. So we're good to just send this thing up and put the bolt inside. Check if fluid was in there. I don't know if it came with fluid or not. So now that I check fluid is in there, I can just put it up.
Alright, yeah, come on, bro. Told you, one day you get this shit done. This shit not hard, bro. Not fucking around.
This is not hard, bro. This is a lot of work, gang.
That was a lot of work.
I'm just doing it quick.
Oh, you take your time. You feel me? Look at that. Bang, 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 bang.
Nah, it's bang, 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 cause it's me, bro.
Bang, bang.
Don't take my word for it. I'm just a loop tech, bro. I wish I could do these big jobs, man. If you're a loop tech, what I Check it out. Our strut are mounted back. All the caliper hardware are mounted. All the bolts are tight, etc., etc. So we're back on track, guys. Caliper is back in. Only thing that's left is the exhaust and the drive shaft. That's literally it, guys. Same for this side. Struts is back in. Everything is back in on this side. Only thing that's left to mount is literally the drive shaft, guys. I gotta snug this down a little bit more. See how that's moving? So I'm just gonna hit it with the 8 real quick. That's it. Everything is tight, guys. I didn't have to drop the subframe bolt because the rear differential was already like being dropped because the bushing failed, so it was already sagging down, so I didn't really need to drop the subframe or anything to change the bushing. So now what I'm gonna go ahead and do is go ahead and tighten this bolt all the way, hit it with my gun, and that should be it, guys. You got to put the drive shaft back in and we're back on track, guys. got it in, guys.
Two little bolts now.
Quick road test, guys. You guys want to come with me?
Going for a ride.
Going for a ride. I don't hear nothing loose. Let me take it for a spin real quick.
What's the concern? Because I thought it heard like a little, like heat shield.
Just now?
Yeah.
Okay, the rotor, the dust shield. Cause I was bending the shit out of those just now.
Yeah. Because
You heard that when I moved?
Yeah. As soon as you revved it, it went. It might have just been when you first moved it, and it.
Okay, let me see. You don't hear no dust shield though, cause those things are fucking bent.
Oh yeah.
Nope. All right, good. Let me road test her real quick. Come back. And Amy, the whole rear diff fell out of this thing. You heard me? The whole rear diff fell out of this thing. That's what I had to fucking fix.
It might have just been a little rattle.
Okay, all right, no problem. Hopefully it's nothing
False
crazy.
alarm. False alarm.
Good? All right. The battery is kind of low, guys, because this thing was sitting forever. Literally, this thing was sitting for a really long time. So that's why the battery is kind of dead. And plus, I had to leave it in neutral so I could spin the drive shaft when I was replacing the whole rear entire diff. So, yeah, guys. That's why I say low battery state of charge or whatever. But I'm going to road test it real quick. And then I'll let you guys know what's up. Thank you guys for watching the video today, man. This car was a lot of freaking work. So thank God we were able to wrap it up in one day. So now we're just gonna road test this car and then we're able to park it and move on to the next one. I'll keep you guys posted. If anything turns up, I'll let you guys know. But let me get on the road real quick and get this over with.